I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top.
All right, we're back. We're going to take some pictures. I don't have a mount for my phone on my bike yet, so I'm gonna look at the map and then try to get there. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. We're going to some state park. I got the, why can't I think? The GoPro set up to the helmet, hopefully a little bit better. I found the other attachment piece, angled it up a little more. So we're gonna turn that on and get going. Hopefully the bike starts. So see you in a second. Come on. Oh my God. Almost did not start. Side note, if I get stranded, I'm literally gonna cry. Because I'm not gonna be near anything. And I don't think there's anyone that can pick me up. I gotta stop looking there. I gotta look at the camera. Alright, bye. Once again, I'm at some state park. I snuck into some restricted area. About 45 minutes away from home. The bike is dead. I should have really, after that last video, I didn't even like bother to do anything, so this is 100% my fault. But I had the bike charging, I rode it here. It took me, like I said, 45 minutes. Figured it would have charged the battery. But no. So we're in some restricted area. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. People are probably looking at me. I had to push my bike through some state park. But we'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Stolen power. Thank you. Alright. That was a chain of events. I'm sweating. The bike, you know, started when I left the house. So I was like, alright, I gotta turn the GoPro on. The GoPro wasn't turning on. It's a brand new GoPro. I don't know. GoPro 8. I literally got it not like 2 weeks ago. I don't know. You get here, take some pictures, the bike doesn't turn on. I'm just like, okay, this is just not going well. I have some iPhone footage. This thing is filming, right? Is the mic plugged in? Yeah. Alright, let's try that again. I changed the GoPro angle and where the mic is, so hopefully it sounds a little better. I gotta figure out where I'm going. I have no mount on my bike home. I think I'm gonna take the beach. These gloves aren't even that old and they're ripping. Whatever. Charged up. Bike is on for now. Little burnout right there. Yeah. I'm gonna go right because it just might be a nice view. Alright, people. Before the GoPro wouldn't turn on, but the bike turned on. And then the GoPro turned on and the bike didn't turn on. So we're at a state park. We were at a state park doing some pictures. You'll have to go follow the Instagram, check those out. It was of clothing and the brand. But now we're coming home. Like I said, I have no mount. Before I had the, oh my god, the, what's it called? The RAM mount, like X, like pinch thing. I had no problems with that. If you guys recommend a mount, let me know, leave a comment. But yeah, it's really my fault that the bike didn't turn on. Like, I should have definitely messed with something before I was just like, oh yeah, let's go an hour away. So, can't blame anyone but myself. Nice night right now. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. I got lost. And I am nowhere closer to home. Well, can't say that, but I was gonna go by the water, but as you can see, this cloud didn't call for rain, but that doesn't really look too fun. So I'm gonna try to just shoot home. It was definitely an interesting day. Just in the sense of, you know, things dying. I really got to get to the bottom of this whole battery or bike dying issue. I seriously wish this thing had 6 speed. I'm so, well, I wouldn't even say I'm so used to it, but I learned on a 6 speed, and this bike, I guess that's a downfall. I always feel like it wants to go in the 6th gear. But like, if you follow bolt heads, I think they made a sticker with like the gears. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 again in red, because that's literally what it feels like. I've done that so many times. It depends on how you time all the gears and stuff, but oh man. I think the next video I'm going to do is going to be me kind of talking about some riding gear. I know absolutely nothing about riding gear. I'm honestly hoping you guys just kind of leave me some suggestions, so stay tuned for that one. Another thought just popped in my head. I never used to ride with a backpack, because even on my dual sport I had a little cargo rack on the rear fender, and then my other Bolt I had a, why do I sound so loud? I had a sissy bar with the OEM sissy bar with like the OEM rack on the back, which actually is like pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, it's super useful. I think it looks good, but I'm definitely looking at getting like a custom one made with the rack. I don't like it super tall, but not too short. I don't know, probably like, that cloud kind of went away, and I'm kind of bummed, honestly, because I was gonna take a bridge into Seaside, the Jersey Shore GTL, Gym Tan Laundry, but that's that. It is what it is. Still, sky still looks a little weird, but I don't know how you guys feel about riding at night, but I'm like really not a fan. I've done it multiple times. I feel like no matter what I do, it just sketches me out. Like, I mean, right now I'm obviously fine. I can still see anything. I don't know how well this GoPro picks up light. But, I mean, I don't know, riding at night, like, I feel like they can't see me. They can probably hear me, but this headlight's not super bright. I still gotta get a headlight. Unemployed, so I'll get to it, but, budgeting my money. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you not care? Do you prefer riding at night? Oh, I hate riding when it's wet. Like, probably one of my most hated things, honestly. It just smells like a summer rain. It definitely just poured here. Obviously, I don't think anyone who rides bikes likes to ride in the rain. Alright, we made it home. That's all that really matters. This backpack, I can hear me, awful. can't stand wearing a backpack riding a bike. I gotta do something about that. I must have just beat the rain. Oh yeah. That light? I must have just beat the rain because everything around my house was soaked. So, there is a God. Thank you. I think I'm also going to Vermont Friday. Today is Wednesday. I think I'm going mountain biking. I don't mountain bike. I've gone once to a park up here. Mountain Creek, if you've ever been there, but I'm going to Killington, Vermont to mountain bike, so I'm gonna try to make a video. And you guys can all tell me how bad I am, because I don't mountain bike. So, thanks for checking this one out. I gotta actually tackle this battery issue. So stay tuned for my result. It's probably just dead battery, but we'll see. Got crazy hair. Subscribe. Go follow me. Don't buy something, just check it out. Blow it up, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, I do